Hello children, a very good morning. Welcome in the another class of English literature. Chapter 5, The Golden Bird, Part 2. Children, in previous video we learned about the golden bird which was kept in a golden cage by the king. After some time it was released by the king's men in the forest. In that forest, this golden bird met with two animals. Which were their children? Yes, they were a monkey and a snake. Now let's continue with the chapter. Part 2, The Golden Bird. Now children, come to page number 34, paragraph number 6. Well, hello, hissed the snake. Who are you? I am the golden bird, replied the bird. Come, let me show you the forest, said the snake. No, said the bird. What can a snake teach me? And you have a hissing voice. Do you know I sing beautifully? Very well, hissed the snake, and he slithered away. Now the snake saw this golden bird and he asked, who are you? Okay, children. Then golden bird replied. What replied, children? Yes. She replied, I am the golden bird. Then snake said, what did he say, children? Yes, he said, come, I will show you the forest. The golden bird replied. What replied, children? Yes, she replied, I cannot go with you. And she said, what can a snake teach me? You have a hissing voice. Because she was proud. She was very proud. And she told, what, children? Yes, she told, I sing beautifully. After listening all these things, her answer, the snake went away. Now children, come to the next paragraph. Just then, something moved in the tree in front of the bird. She looked up and saw a chameleon. He was the same color as the tree trunk. You must be the golden bird. When I am in danger, I do something wonderful. Let me show you, said the chameleon. No, thanks, replied the bird. What could a lizard like you teach me? Don't you wish you had golden feathers like me? Well, I tried to help you, uttered the chameleon and darted away. In all these sentences, children, what we know? Now, just then, as the snake went, something moved in the tree. The leaves started moving. Now this bird noticed it. And when she looked, what did it see? Yes, she saw a chameleon. Color was the same as the tree trunk. What do you mean by tree trunk, children? Have you seen the trunk of the tree? The the fat part. The fat part is called trunk. Okay, children? Now the chameleon said, "You must be the golden bird. When I am in danger, I do something wonderful." What are those wonderful things? Chameleon was saying. Okay, children? That I change the color of my body. This chameleon wanted to show it, but this bird was not interested. Then she said, "What, children? What could a lizard like you teach me? And you don't have golden feathers like me." After listening her answer, chameleon replied, "I wanted to help you, but you don't understand." At last, chameleon went away. Now come to the next paragraph. Suddenly the golden bird saw a large eagle above the forest. The other animals too spotted the eagle. The monkey hid among the leaves of the trees. The snake slid into the deepest part of the ground. The chameleon also stayed quite still. No one could see him. Okay, children? Means what happened? Suddenly, the golden bird saw. What did the golden bird see? Yes, a large eagle above the forest. Then what happened? The monkey hid among the leaves of the trees, and the snake slid into the deepest part of the ground. And also, chameleon stayed quite still. Then children, till here we end. In the next video, I will be catching you up with the same story. That would be part 3 of chapter 5, The Golden Bird. Thanks.